I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the cold water inlet valve on your LG front load washer. If you have been experiencing issues such as leaking water, slow filling, or no cold water entering the washer, it might be time to check or replace this part. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward appliance repair guides. Let's get started, and soon you will have your washer running like new again. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering everything we need for today's repair job. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a small towel, a pair of adjustable pliers, and a flat blade screwdriver. And remember, safety comes first. Unplug the washer, turn the water supply off before starting any repairs. Your washer is equipped with two separate inlet valves for cold and hot water. They are mounted through the rear panel side by side. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove two bottom screws from the rear plastic brackets. Slide the top panel back for less than an inch and take it off. The cold water inlet valve is on the left, looking from the back. Slowly open the cold water faucet. Did water start getting inside the washer? If the answer is yes, your cold water valve is doomed. Turn off the cold water faucet to confirm the verdict and see if trickling stops. If yes, you definitely need a new cold water inlet valve. Get a towel ready and use the pliers to unscrew the cold water inlet hose. Use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the plugs from the cold water valve. You may snap a picture of order just in case. Place the towel under and using the pliers, slide the clamps and remove the three hoses from the valve. You may need to use a flat blade screwdriver to assist yourself. The last thing is to remove the couple of Phillips screws from the rear. Now you can remove the cold water inlet valve. This is the old cold water inlet valve next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the new valve in the cutout. Align the holes and secure it with two Phillips screws. Slide the hoses on and use the pliers to install the clamps back. Connect the plugs. Install the water inlet hose manually for a few threads. Then use pliers to tighten it. Take it easy doing that. Don't over-tight. Open the faucet, plug the washer in, and run it to test. If there are no leaks, install the top panel, slide it forward to lock, and secure it with two Phillips screws. Great job tackling your washer repair. We would love to hear how it went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you still need a replacement cold water inlet valve or any other part, just have your model number ready and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive in just a few days. Thanks for choosing us to guide you through your repair journey, and we look forward to supporting you on your next project.